You have made the right choice to watch this video. In today's video, we're gonna open up a hard drive, so let's begin with opening up these screws. Once we have unscrewed 7 screws, we're free to go. As you see, there is a screw underneath these tags for safety reasons, which I have not seen in first place. There, that's the last screw. Let's open it up. That looks better than what I had expected. Oh, I wonder what's this. Now we have the front cover off. This here actually is the scanner for the disc. This disc is a beautiful gadget and a toy. So we're gonna continue unscrewing these screws and see what else we find in here. So these are the connections from the circuit board on the other side to the scanner. Then we have these magnets that do their job. If you run a magnet over a hard drive, it can be really dangerous, which the scanner would not know which way to move. They're actually pretty strong. Really sorry for losing this part of the video, but it's not the most important. So let's begin to unscrew the actual disc. It is mounted with 6 screws. This reminds me of truck wheels. So we have the disc loose, so I'm gonna one time unscrew the motor that is rotating the disc. There we have the motor disc, ain't that a beauty, and then the connections are right down there by the circuit board. So now we are on the other side and we're gonna unscrew the circuit board and see what's behind there. This is mounted with 4 screws and doesn't have any pricks to it as the front cover did. I have it loose and look at all this cool stuff, all these cool things that the circuit board always has. And then there is a sponge for protection, which also is very necessary. You have it all peeled apart, and for me, by far the favorite thing is the disc. It's a mirror on both sides, which makes it more fancy yet. And then we got the other cool stuff, the back cover, the front cover. We got the small electric motor that goes screwed into the back cover, and then gets its connections from the circuit board. We got the foam for protection, which is very necessary. We got the circuit board with the old connections and both of the new ones. And then we have the scanner that is moving up and down, and it also gets its connections from the circuit board. And then we have these two strong magnets, the desk holder, and a bunch of screws. Thank you guys for watching. It was my pleasure to present this to you. See you on the next one.